This is your third adjustment? The fourth adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
Is that tender right there?
No.
No. Legs are uneven, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to have you lay on your side. This side up first.
Okay.
Perfect. Bring your seat up.
Mm-hmm.
This. Like this. Yes, just keep the leg straight. There it is. Other
Yeah,
side.
I felt it.
Yeah. By the way, we have a camera watching us, so it'll look good.
Okay.
Legs. Beat me to it. You go face down on your belly. Still in my thunder. On your belly? Can you turn this in there?
No.
And right up here?
No.
Alright, so I'm going to open this. No flap up. Went down. Open an L5 disc up for it. That feels okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now let's go on your back then.
Okay.
Wipe your fingers behind your neck. Bring both knees up. Good. Just like this. This way. One more. Whew. I'll wake you up. Arms to your side.
Say that again.
You can bring your arms down.
Okay.
Right there. We'll go extension. That's just tight. That's under it all.
No.
Just gotta see where this moves. Right there.
Okay. Oh, nice. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, that one gave a good one.
Perfect. Anything else?
All right. Feels good.
All
All right. Good job there.